Okay, we are with Frances doing the activation of the MT500. So for this, if you open the Dante controller, you need to install the Dante controller. You're going to see that the controller is finding a device that later you can change the name, but of course you cannot expand the inputs and outputs because this unit is not activated. Okay, so also you can see an icon with a number 1 in this case. That means that you have a device that could be activated. If you click, then you go to device, then you can select this device. You can click receive Dante, yeah, and then add to cart, that in this case is €0 because we have some license available. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account. Okay, so you have in the cart, go to the cart, and then to do the checkout. Well, you need to accept the condition on the left. Checkout. I understand that this is okay. Activate now. Of course, the MT500 is connected to the same network on the computer, and what we observe is that you need to use the first port, the PoE port, the first Ethernet. Okay, so now it's done. So Frances, if you go back to the Dante controller software, now in the Dante controller, you are going to see that you can expand the unit. You have 1 video channel and 2 audio channels that are the one that we are going to use.